This is a review of a new product called TrafficJacker. Now, what exactly is TrafficJacker? This is a new web application which allows folks to legally hijack traffic and ranking authority from two of the most authoritative sites on the internet, YouTube and Wikipedia. And then you can take and start using that traffic to earn commissions within 24 hours or even less. So exactly how does TrafficJacker work? Well, what you do is you can enter a keyword into the software. The software will then search, depending on what you choose, either Wikipedia or YouTube, and it will find articles or videos that have high rank, a lot of traffic, and it will find any expired domains that are mentioned in those articles or YouTube videos. And because those domains have expired, they are now available to be purchased. And you can pick these things up for 10 or 12 bucks. That's about it. Now, because those sites get a lot of traffic, you now have the ability to inherit the link juice and the ranking authority from those sites, and you can redirect the traffic to the sites of your choice. And you can do this without having to make or rank any videos or articles. They're there for you already, and you're not really taking the articles, you're only taking the traffic from the articles and the videos. You don't have to build a website if you choose not to. You can do all this without paying a dime for traffic, and you do not even need to buy web hosting because you may not even need to build a site if you choose not to. Now, what can you do to earn money with this system? Well, you can direct link for affiliate marketing. Remember, these sites generate a lot of traffic. You can take the traffic that comes to those sites and turn around and send it directly to an affiliate offer that you're promoting. Think about this. These sites have been on videos and articles that have been seen by thousands of people, maybe millions of people, and they're still getting traffic. And that traffic can be redirected right to your affiliate link. Or if you're a product creator and you have your own products, you can direct the traffic to the products of your choice, your own products, no affiliate products necessary, and you can earn 100% of the income. Or how about if you're into list building? What you can do is build a landing page offering a free giveaway, a free bribe to your visitors, and you can redirect all the traffic from those domains to your landing page. That's massive free traffic directed right to your links. Or you can generate AdSense profits. Now, if you have an existing blog, you can monetize it for AdSense. You can take traffic from these sites and send it to your blog. If somebody sees your AdSense ad and clicks on it, you will earn a commission from Google AdSense. Or you can do the same thing with a YouTube channel. Now, YouTube has some new requirements for a channel to become monetized. It must have 1,000 subscribers, and it has to have 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. Well, those things both require traffic. So if you've got these expired domains with massive traffic, you can redirect that traffic to your YouTube videos and build up your subscribers and your watch hours. Now, once your video or your channel becomes monetized, you can now direct that same traffic back to those videos, and you can earn AdSense income from your videos. This is probably the most passive profits you could possibly make on the internet. Now, if you don't want to keep those domains, you have really no need for them or use for them, you can also flip those domains. Remember, these domains generate large amounts of traffic, and traffic is gold on the internet. So you can turn around and flip these domains. Just take a look at a site like Flipit and see what some of these domains are selling for. And this is income that you can earn almost immediately. Buy the domain and put it on Flipit with its existing traffic already in place. Traffic generating websites are a huge valuable asset. You can take that asset and turn it into ready cash for yourself. If you're into SEO, you can build a private blog network. A private blog network is a group of blogs that have authority and take their link juice and they send it to one particular page or one particular website, which could be your money site. So you can take all the link juice from these videos or these articles and these domains and send it directly to your money page and generate huge traffic and potentially a lot of income. Now you can also buy and rent a private blog network. You can even sell domains back to the original owner. And how about this? If you're into e-commerce or you have an Amazon store, you can take all the traffic from these expired domains and send it to your e-commerce site or to your Amazon store, again, generating huge amounts of traffic. So how exactly does this software work? Well, it's really simple. It's been boiled down to 4 simple steps. Your first step is to input your target keyword into the software. Then you select whether you want to hijack your traffic from either YouTube or Wikipedia. You hit the start button and you let my TrafficJacker get to work for you. It will search through either Wikipedia or YouTube videos, depending on what you choose, and will find you articles and videos that relate to expired domain names. And then you turn around and you register those domains and you start to deploy one of your income earning strategies, either redirect or build a mailing list or even sell the domain for a huge profit if that's what you choose to do. So what is all this going to cost you? Well, during the launch period, the sale price of my TrafficJacker is all of $37. Now, traffic is the lifeblood of any business. It makes absolutely no difference how good your promotions are, how good your copywriting is, or how good your product is. If nobody sees it, you can be guaranteed that nobody is going to buy your product. So traffic is the lifeblood of your business. And this software will allow you to generate an exploding amount of traffic to your websites and to your offers. So at $37 during the launch period, this really is a no-brainer. It's the most worthwhile investment you may ever make. So if you'd like to access your own copy of my TrafficJacker, click on the first link below the video in the description. And we also have a page full of bonuses that you can access once you buy through my link. And if you click on the second link in the description below, you will see exactly what the bonuses are that are being offered with this product. But either way, this is a real no-brainer. And if you have any interest in building up an online business, this is a product you should get for yourself before the launch period ends at this ridiculously low price. Either way, best of luck to you.